Hello there, I'm Teacher Godfrey, and today we are going to learn maths in grade 3. We are going to learn about what? We are going to learn maths in grade 3. And before we start, I would like us to remind ourselves of what we were able to do in the previous classes. We were able to write numbers both in words and in symbols. We were able to write them we were able to know how to write them. So today we are not going to write numbers in words or symbols, but we are going to learn about ordinal numbers. We are going to learn about what? Ordinal numbers. So I want you to know that in which position were you when you woke up in the morning? Yes? Ah, wonderful. I know you have answered. I know you said that you are number 1. You are number 1. In which position were you when after finishing taking your meal? Wow, very good. I know you said you are number 2 or number 1. But today in ordinal numbers, we say that when you are the number 1, we say that you are the first person to take your meal. When you are number 2, you are the second person. And when you are number 3, you are the third person. And when you are number 4, you are the fourth person. And when you are number 5, you are the fifth person. And when you are number 6, you are the sixth person. And when you are number 7, you are the seventh person. And when you are number 8, you are the eighth person. And when you are number 9, you are the ninth person. And when you are the number 10, you are the 10th person. So we don't say that I'm number 1 when you are dealing with position. When you want to do something and you become number 1, you say you are the first, or you are the second, or third, or fourth, and going on like that. So after finishing an activity, it's always good for you to use these words. When you finish the first, regardless on whichever position you have taken. So today we are going to learn about this, and I know it will be so interesting. I would like you to look at this book here and observe at this picture. What can you see in the picture, class? Yes, I know some of you have seen the bus. Anyone else? Yes, you have seen the pupils lining up. Wonderful. So, who was the first person to enter into the bus? Wow, it was Mary. So, Mary is number 1. So, Mary is the first person. Mary is the first person. Who was number 2 to enter into the bus? Wonderful. So, we say Jack is number 2. So, we say Jack is the second person. Who was number 3, class? Wow, we see it is Ruth. Ruth is number 3. So we say Ruth is the third person. Who was number 4, class? Wonderful. So we say Tom. Tom is number 4. So Tom is the fourth person. And who was the last person to enter into the bus? Yes, it was Anne. Anne is number 5. So Anne is the fifth person. So class, I would like you to practice that even when you go out to play. Just compete in a race. You can take a tire and compete in a tire racing, and then look who will be the first person to finish the race. And then you will tell me tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.